As I walk slowly, each step feels deliberate, almost like a dance with the earth beneath my feet. The white trousers and shirt I wear are more than just clothing. They symbolize a clarity of mind, a canvas for my thoughts. Slipper shoes cradle my feet, allowing me to feel the ground, connecting me to the moment. In this state of meditation, I find peace in the simplicity of my surroundings. The world rushes by, but I choose to embrace stillness. It's in this quiet that I discover the beauty of mindfulness. Each breath I take deepens my awareness, transforming the mundane into something extraordinary. Life is a series of moments, and right now, I'm savoring this one. It's not about where I'm going, but the journey within. In this slow walk, I find clarity, purpose, and a profound sense of gratitude.